Hello friends, welcome to my channel SlideHunt. I'm back with another video tutorial on HTML5. Today we will learn about HTML heading. I think all of you are familiar with heading. Heading appear at the top of the paragraph, chapter or page, and they give you an idea of what the subject is. Here I'm showing you a document. This is the heading of this document. By reading this line, we can guess the topic of this page. Here we learn how to add heading to a web page. In HTML, heading defines the format and structure of a document. There are 6 heading tags from H1 to H6. All the heading has a starting tag and an ending tag. For H1, this is the starting tag and this is the ending tag. And whatever you will write inside these 2 tags will be displayed in the web page. H1 is the most important heading and it looks big and bold, and H6 is the least important heading. Let's see an example. Here I write some code on Notepad. You can see here inside the body element I write all the 6 headings, and each of the head element contains some text. For H1 heading I write here HTML heading 1. For H2 I write HTML heading 2. For H3 I write HTML heading 3, and so on. Let's see how it looks to the web page. Save this document. Now open this document in a web browser. You can see here the first heading is the largest heading and it is the most important heading. Then H2 is the less important heading, followed by H3, H4, H5, and H6 is the least important heading. One thing I must say here, each of the heading will appear in a separate line. You can see here first heading is ended here, and second heading is not printed just after the first heading, but it is printed in the next line. Now I'm going to write all the heading in a single line. Now save it. Refresh the page. You can see here there is no changes in the output because heading always appear in a new line, and it doesn't matter even if we put all the headings in a single line that we have done here. This is it. Hope you understand. To get more videos, please subscribe this channel. I'll be back soon with another tutorial. Till then, take care and keep learning.